Si Carlo has been a student of Jaime Hilario for the last 6 years. So he's one of our original students here. He lives in a nearby sitio, Sitio Ulingan, and he lives with his mother. His father died when he was in grade 2. In the future, when he's asked what he wants to become, he says he wants to become a soldier. In the coming years, I think what we'd like to see is that the school continues to fulfill its mission. That mission is to honor the lives of the people who continue to live in this place.
Sa bawat paghakbang ko, hindi ko nakakalimutang magpasalamat sa iyong pakikiisa sa akin. Sa tulong mo, mayahatid din ako sa aking mga pangarap. Alam ko, malayo ang mararating ko dahil kasama kita.